Today we are going to have a new chapter, and that's what? Uncountables in English. All right. Now, what do you mean by uncountable? Can you please tell me what is uncountable? We have seen uncountable in English. What do you mean by uncountable? And what do you mean by countable? Yes. Hello.
अनकाउंटेबल जिसको काउंट नहीं कर पाते.
All right. And countable, जिसको count करते हैं.
Yes.
Now I'll tell you the difference between countable and uncountable. Uncountable are the things which can be counted directly, and which cannot be counted directly. And countable are the things which can be counted directly. As he said, it is what absolutely correct. Now today I'll be starting a new topic, and the topic is what? Uncountable in English. Okay. आज से हमारा एक नया टॉपिक स्टार्ट होने वाला है जो कि है अनकाउंटेबल. What do you mean by uncountable? अब काउंटेबल अनकाउंटेबल बहुत ही सिंपल सा टॉपिक है. I'm just sharing with you here, so please pay attention.
Can I ask one question?
Yeah, please.
Yesterday you told like one video audio sent to WhatsApp number, right?
What was that?
A
Dev
script.
scripts.
Yes, but we.
Please text me today on WhatsApp so I can just send you there.
Yeah,
Send you
because
today.
I went to applications, but where I did not find out this thing.
No, don't worry. Just text me on WhatsApp today. I'll give you there. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Okay, so countable means what? The things which could be counted directly. For example, we can say 2 cars, countable noun. For example, 3 bottles, countable noun. Next one, 4 chairs, countable noun. Getting it? So what do you mean by
Yes.
countable noun? The things could be counted directly on our fingers are what? Countable. For example, 5 beds, countable. So this is what? Countable noun. And what is uncountable? Which cannot be directly counted on our fingers. Those are what? Uncountable nouns.
Uncountable.
Okay. Countable are the ones which are counted directly on our fingers. For example, 2 cars, 3 bottles, 4 chairs, 5 beds, etc. And uncountable are the nouns which could not be counted directly on our fingers. For example, water. Can we count water on our finger? Can you say 2 waters, 3 waters, 5 waters?
No, air.
No, it is uncountable. The things which could not be counted directly on our fingers are uncountable. Very simple definition. The things which could not be counted on our fingers are what? Uncountable. For example, water. Next one, oil.
Air.
Can we count oil? Can we count oil? No. We can't count oil. Oil is also uncountable. Air. Can we count air?
No.
Air is also uncountable. For example, honey. Can we count honey? No. Honey is also uncountable. Can we count plastic? No. Plastic is also uncountable, etc. So what is countable? The things which could be counted directly on our fingers, those are what? Countable nouns. And the things which could not be counted on our fingers, those are what? Uncountable nouns. Any doubts?
No.
So the things which could not be counted on fingers directly, those are uncountables. अभी आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे यार पानी को काउंट करते हैं 2 liters 1 liter. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes.
But that is a partitive noun. आप लोग मुझे जैसे चाहिए मुझे वैसे एटमॉस्फेयर बना नहीं रहे. आप लोग कुछ लोग म्यूट करके बैठे हैं, कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहे.
Yes.
This is what we are going to speak up over here. Please all of you unmute yourself and please cooperate with me. And I want the answers from your side.
Yes, sir.
All right. So here I'm asking you that water. Can we count water? Water को हम लोग गिन सकते हैं क्या? On our
No.
fingers? No. So it is uncountable. What is uncountable noun? The nouns which could not be counted directly on our fingers, those are what? Uncountable. All right. For example, water. Can we count water on our fingers? No.
No.
It is absolutely uncountable. We can't count water at all. We can't count it. Same case, oil. Can we count oil? Now some of the people they say 1 liter oil. अभी कार को लीटर में गिन सकते हैं क्या?
No.
No. Chair को लीटर में गिन सकते हैं? No. We said directly 4 chairs, 2 cars. Can we say 2 waters, 3 oils? No. So it is absolutely uncountable. So what is uncountable noun? The nouns which could not be counted directly on our fingers, those are what? Uncountables. The nouns which could not be counted directly on our fingers, those are what? All right. Let's
Yes.
go for the next one now. Please pay attention. So today I'm going to share with you uncountable nouns. Yeah, please pay attention, Mr. Wajid.
Yes, sir. Any liquid is uncountable.
Yeah. Any liquid is uncountable. All the liquids are uncountable, first of all. All the liquids are
Okay.
uncountable. So this is what I'm
Okay.
just telling you. The real definition of uncountable is what? The things which could not be counted on our fingers, those are what? Uncountables. कुछ भी चीज रहने दो जिसको मैं डायरेक्टली फिंगर पे नहीं गिन सकता हूँ, वो अनकाउंटेबल है. Now I'll tell you one more thing. अब आप लोग बोलेंगे यार मैं बोल सकता हूँ ना 2 लीटर पानी. पानी को आप लोग लीटर में बोल रहे हैं, पर डायरेक्टली पानी बोल सकते हैं 2 waters?
No.
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 So it is uncountable. The things which could not be counted on my finger directly, those are what? Uncountables. जो भी चीजें मेरे डायरेक्टली इसके ऊपर नहीं काउंट होती हैं, उसको मैं अनकाउंटेबल बोलूंगा. Literally. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
I'm really sorry.
No.
Just I need 1
Sir,
minute.
here-
Okay. Very
here
important
some-
word is there. I just
Huh?
I'm back. Thank you so much for the cooperation. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you so
Hello.
much. Let's go back. So this is what uncountable. So as I've given you the definition of uncountable is what? The things which could not be counted on our fingers directly are what? Uncountables. And the things which could be counted on our fingers, those are what? Countable nouns. All right. Now I'm going to share with you what is uncountable and how uncountable can be defined and what are the things which comes under uncountable nouns. Point number one, there are some rules that we can not skip them without learning uncountables. Okay. Now, first of all is what? Plurals. Uncountables will never ever become plural. Can we make uncountable plural? No. We can't make it plural. We can't put their S in uncountable. For example, water. Water is the king of uncountables. Can we put their S? Can we say waters?
No.
No. It is what? Absolutely wrong. We can't put their S, so all the uncountables, they will never ever become plural. Uncountable कभी भी plural नहीं होता है. So uncountable will never become plural. Next one, we can't use A for uncountable. Why? A means?
Singular. Single.
Correct. A means one. And for uncountable, we don't use it. Yes or no?
Yes.
For uncountable, it will be absolutely wrong. We can't use A for uncountable. Next one, R. Can we use R for uncountable? No. Cut किया है, देखो मैंने वहां पर A cut किया है. Plural is what? Absolutely cut. We can't put their S or ES. We can't make it plural, and we can't put their R as well. When do we use R?
Present.
Or
Or
we use R for
Plural.
plural. Yes or no? So if we are putting with uncountable, so it will be absolutely wrong. Can uncountable become plural? Yes.
no.
Rohit,
No.
Tawaji, no, they will never ever become plural. So if uncountables are not becoming plural, so can we put their R? Not at all. We are not going to put their R for uncountable. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very good. Now let's have a look here. How and what are the things which come under uncountable nouns? Point number one, water. Water is the king of uncountables. We can't count water. Can we count water?
No.
No.
No. So water is absolutely uncountable. Okay. Next one, oil. Oil is also uncountable. Why? Because it is liquid. And always remember, all the liquids are uncountable. Suppose, for example, if I just take it. मेरे हाथ में कितना पानी आप लोग बता सकते हैं?
No.
कितना पानी है मेरे हाथ में? No. Means ultimately, मेरे हाथ पर कितना पानी है? You can't count it. Means what? Water is absolutely uncountable. It is the same case that it is a liquid, and all the liquids will be uncountable. Next one, oil. Can we count oil? Can we count oil?
No.
No. Oil is also liquid, and all the liquids are uncountable. Oil is also uncountable. Next, milk. Can we count milk? No. So milk is also uncountable. Next one, tea. Can we count tea?
No.
Hello.
No. No.
So tea is
No.
also uncountable. Okay, tea is also uncountable. Now tea has two forms. Tea, we drink tea, that is uncountable. Why? Because it is liquid. And tea powder, that is also powder form, and all the powders are uncountable. Can we count tea? हम लोगों ने ये 4 चाय पत्ती डालो जरा. 3.5 चाय
No.
पत्ती निकाल. Can we say like this?
No.
No. So liquid is also uncountable. Powder is also uncountable. Like for example, tea. Next one, coffee. Can we count coffee?
No.
No, we can't count coffee. Coffee is uncountable. Okay? Coffee, we drink coffee, that is uncountable liquid. And the coffee, we have coffee beans and all, coffee powder, that is also uncountable. Okay? Next, bread. How bread is uncountable? Yes? How bread is uncountable?
Bread.
Bread is countable or uncountable?
Bread is countable.
So how is it coming under uncountable sheets?
So bread is a slice, like we can count.
Yes, Mr. Wajid, bread is countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
How? Mr. Rohit.
In a packet one. This
Uncountable. मुझे भी
शीट में है बोल के सब.
अरे यार.
Yes. First of all, I did not say slice. Yes or no?
yes, yes.
Bread.
Yes, slice.
Slice is countable, but bread is uncountable. Bread is
Oh,
uncountable. How? Slice
Bread
after
bread becomes slice now.
yeah, bread after cutting bread becomes slice. After
oh,
cutting bread, it becomes slice, and slice is countable, but bread is uncountable.
एक ब्रेड दो ब्रेड बोल सकते हैं.
No, that
Oh,
is slice.
नाही बोलू शकत.
No, you are right.
I'll tell you how. Because when bread gets manufactured, it comes in a loaf. It comes in
Right.
a loaf.
Flow.
पूरा एक loaf के अंदर आता है वो. Then the bakers, they cut it into slices. 50 rupees का इतना, 20 rupees का इतना, 30 rupees का इतना. Then you cut it into slices. 1 slice, 2 slices, 3 slices, 4 slices, 5 slices. And I did not say slices. I said bread.
Bread.
I asked you bread. I did not ask you slice. Yes or no?
Right.
So this whole is called bread. This whole is called bread, and
Bread.
bread is absolutely uncountable. Can we count bread?
No.
No. Can we count bread? No. Slice is countable. Bread is absolutely uncountable. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Good. So bread is absolutely uncountable. Slice is countable. Okay. Next one. So bread comes in a loaf, and that loaf is absolutely uncountable. All right. हम लोग उसको काउंट ही नहीं कर सकते ब्रेड को कि भाई अभी कितना ब्रेड निकाल के इतना ब्रेड निकाल के आप मुझे दो. कैन वी से 4 ब्रेड है ये? नो. नेक्स्ट वन. राइस. कैन वी काउंट राइस?
No.
अभी जैसे कि रोहित भाई अभी कहाँ गए अपना होटल में गए भाभी के साथ में, तो उसने बोली 70 चावल खाने का, अगर 71 खाए ना फिर देखो. नो. रोहित भाई ऐसे गिन के खाते हैं कि ऐसे 4 चावल खा रहा हूँ मैं.
नहीं वैसे मोज माप क्यों वजन काटे पे.
वो वजन काटे भी भी नहीं है वो अलग चीज हो गई. वो किलो के अंदर अलग चीज हो गया. बट कैन वी काउंट ऑन आवर फिंगर्स राइस?
No, no,
No.
So it is
No.
absolutely uncountable. So
uncountable.
rice is also uncountable. Next, sugar. Can we count sugar? 3.5
No.
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 No. So sugar is also uncountable. Next one, salt. Can we count salt?
No.
4 नमक. अरे यार 17 नमक हो जाते यार आज की सालन में तो यार. पल पल Can we say like
No.
no? So salt is also uncountable. Next one, butter. Can we count butter?
No.
No.
Can we count?
Butter.
No.
Why? Because
Actually, it liquid form
correct.
before.
Because
Yes.
after melting it becomes,
Liquid form.
and liquid is
Uncountable.
Uncountable.
simple. कमजोर दिमाग पे ज्यादा जोर देने का नहीं. Simple. After melting it becomes liquid, and liquid is uncountable. है क्या नहीं?
Yes.
Good. Let's go. Cheese. Can we count cheese?
No.
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 No. Why?
After it will be liquid.
Correct.
Mel-
After melting it becomes
Yes.
liquid. So cheese is also liquid. Next one, and liquid is uncountable. Next, honey. Can we count honey?
No.
No. Honey is also hard liquid.
Liquid.
Yes or no?
Liquid.
Hard liquid.
Yes. Hard liquid.
Good. So, and that is also uncountable. Next one, meat. Can we count meat?
Not.
अभी ऐसे बोल सकते हैं कि अभी now for example वाजिद भाई के अंदर 70 मीट है, रोहित भाई के अंदर मीट है, अपन बोल सकते हैं. जुबैर भाई भी माशाल्लाह काफी तगड़े, तो उनके पास 65 है. अपन बोलेंगे ऐसा?
No.
No.
Uncountable.
No. Can we count meat? अभी अपने में कितनी चर्बी है, कितना मीट है, अपन बोल सकते हैं क्या? नहीं, चर्बी ज्यादा है अपने.
बहुत चर्बी है.
So ultimately, it is what? Uncountable. Next one, food. Can we count food? Khana, J1.
No.
No, because it contains rice, sugar, meal, each and everything is there. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
So food is also uncountable. Next one, your favorite, alcohol, Bevda. Can we count it?
I don't
No.
know.
No. Why? Because
Liquid.
Liquid.
It becomes liquid.
and all the liquids are
Uncountable.
Countable.
correct. Alcohol, rum, whiskey, रोहित अपना कौन सा फेवरेट?
हाँ, स्प्राइट।
स्प्राइट? अरे रे,
मैं तो स्प्राइट वाला बंदा हूँ।
बिल्कुल नहीं लगता है। कौन
नहीं सिर्फ
छोड़ता
स्प्राइट
क्यों?
लगता नहीं हूँ, सिर्फ स्प्राइट वाला ही हूँ सिर्फ। करो।
So that's what uncountable. Okay, honesty. Can we count honesty?
No.
No,
No.
Honesty.
no.
अरे यार कहाँ लाया था यार, अभी मैं घर पे रखा, अरे गिर गई यार, बता, अरे यार 4 गिर गई, 7 है मेरे पास में. Can we say like this?
No.
No.
Honesty is also uncountable. Can we count ईमानदारी? वाजिद
No.
भाई की ईमानदारी बहुत जबरदस्त ईमानदारी, उनके पास में 101 थी ईमानदारी जब मैं देखा था. Yeah. No. Next one, gas. Can we count gas? अरे
No.
सिलेंडर में देख 4 गैस बाकी है, 7 खत्म हो गया. Can we count?
No.
So it is also uncountable.
Uncountable.
Next one, soap. Can we count soap?
No.
Taman. No. Why? Why?
Powder.
Very good. Or after melting it becomes
Liquid.
correct. And liquids are
Uncountable.
अभी जब अपन नहाते तो नहाने के बाद में क्या पत्थर बनता है ना रोहित? क्या बनता है?
Liquid.
Becomes
Liquid.
foam and liquid, and all the things are uncountable. So
Uncountable.
soap will be absolutely uncountable. Next one is what? Soup. Soup is also uncountable. How?
Liquid. It's a liquid.
Liquid.
Next one, air. Can we count air? अरे यार वो विंडो खोलो जरा, उधर से चार हवा आएगी, इसको बंद करो, 17 हवा आ रही है. Can we say like this?
No.
No.
No. So air is also uncountable. Next one, plastic. Can we count plastic?
No.
Can we say there are 4 plastic in this bottle?
Mm,
There is only 3 plastic in the cap.
no.
No. So plastic is also uncountable. Next one, paper. How paper is uncountable?
No.
How paper is uncountable?
Mm,
Yes.
That is a rule.
So what?
paper roll.
How paper is uncountable?
That is not countable on finger, right?
Oh, what an
Big-
answer.
बहुत बड़ा है, बहुत सारा.
Oh, simple. You're right. Both of you are right. See, simple it is. That paper is what? Again, the paper. Yes or no?
Yes.
Paper comes in a ream, in a roll. And this ream and roll, it goes like this, longer and longer. Then the later they cut it into pages. Yes or no? A4 size, A3 size, A6 size. So this is what actually paper, this paper is what? Absolutely
Countable.
uncountable.
Uncountable.
Pages are countable, na sir?
Pages are countable. Sheets are countable. Full gaps are countable.
Okay.
Okay? But paper is absolutely uncountable. Why? Because it comes in a ream. अभी आप लोग बचपन में क्या करते थे? एक रोल लेकर आते थे, किसका? बुक कवर का. 10 बुक का लेके आते थे, उसको 15 बुक्स पे बराबर खींच के लगाते थे ऐसा. हाँ. So this is what exactly paper. Paper is what? Uncountable. We can't count paper. वो पेपर को अपन काउंट नहीं कर सकते. Okay? Next one, money. अरे money is countable or uncountable?
एक
Yes,
मिनट.
guys.
Countable.
Money is countable or uncountable? Please tell me. Yes, money is countable or uncountable? Mr. Zubair, money is countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Really?
This is a currency, right?
Currency.
Yes, Wajid bhai, what do you say? Money is countable or uncountable? 100.
Rupees are countable, but money is uncountable.
Now, what is rupees and what is money?
No. Rupees are countable, but papers are uncountable.
Ah, yeah, I love this one. Rupee is countable, but paper is and money is going.
एक
Super.
पेपर, एक नोट, दोन नोट असं नाही ना बोलू शकत.
बोलू शकतो माझ्याकडे
100 रुपये, 200 रुपये.
की नाही गिन रहे ना अभी अपन उसको 100 मुंह से बोल भी रहे अपन 100 rupees. Oh my god, 100. One note, two notes. Yes. Money is countable or uncountable? Yes, guys. Money is countable or uncountable? Yes.
Uncountable.
How? अभी
दो
बोल तो
नोट,
रहे अपन 100
100
100 100 rupees गिर के तो बोल रहे हैं ना अपन 100 rupees गिन रहे हैं अपन उसको. Yes.
हाँ. काउंटेबल.
Yes. रोहितने तो बोल दिया ए बाबा मी चाललो तुमचं गेम सोडून.
नाही नाही नाही.
बोलत नाही ना आता तुम्ही बोलत ना काउंटेबल जाऊ द्या.
नाही, मीच काउंटेबल बोलतोय की असं वाटतंय.
Actually, money is uncountable. Why?
हा.
Do you know why and how? Because this is not money. ये money नहीं है. डॉकर टाका जरा पाणी मनी नाही. अरे मैं काय आहे? Yes, it is not money. Wajid bhai can tell me this one. Wajid bhai, what is money then? This is not money.
It's a currency. Rupees.
It's a currency. It is not money. So what is money? What is money? Money bhai.
This is the
What is
goodwill.
money? Ah. Actually, this is not money. Point number one. This is just a currency. Now, if I tell you this one, take this note and go to Sri Lanka and go to the shop assistant and tell him, please give me one chocolate. वो क्या बोलेगा? बोले भाई हमारे इधर ये टकले विकले नहीं चलते, हमारे को मालूम नहीं क्या है ये, हमारे को हमारी नोट आता. Why? Because भाई हमारे इधर ये चलते मिलते नहीं. कौन है ये? क्या है ये? क्या है ये? This is just a piece of paper for me. उसने क्या बोला? This is just a piece of paper and we don't want this one. We want our Sri Lankan currency. So currency is countable because it is written there. 100 rupees. It is countable. Currency is countable, but money is uncountable. So what is exactly money? So real money is not this one. This is just a bearer check. अभी आप लोग अगर कॉमर्स का भी पढ़ा रहेगा या फिर अगर आप लोग बैंकिंग वगैरह थोड़े जानते रहेंगे तो ये होता है बेरर चेक. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है I promise to pay the bearer the sum of 100 rupees. I promise to pay the bearer
Oh.
the sum of 100 rupees. आप लोग नोट के ऊपर देख सकते हैं, हर नोट के ऊपर लिखा हुआ रहता है. So this is not money. This is just a bearer check. अब bearer check किसको बोलते हैं? ऐसा चेक होता है कि जिसके भी हाथ में अगर मिला हो वो उसको विड्रॉ कर सकता है, उसके ऊपर नाम नहीं रहता है. अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये है, अभी ये मेरे पास से अगर समझो कभी मेरे पास से गुम गया और ये मिला रोहित को. रोहित अगर दुकान वाले के पास जाएंगे, दुकान वाले को बोलेंगे भाई एक जरा चिल्ड बियर दो जरा, तो दुकान वाला बोलेगा कि नोट कहाँ से लाया आपने, बोलो जरा पहले.
नाही.
No.
वो देखेगा, वो बोलेगा अरे यार मनी भाई चलो. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड बेरर चेक. इसको बेरर चेक बोलते हैं. इट इज नॉट मनी. एंड दिस इज सेकंड इज व्हाट? इट इज अ करेंसी. ये एक करेंसी है, ये मनी नहीं है. सो व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली मनी? कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी? मनी क्या है फिर? ओरिजिनल मनी क्या है? कुछ भी नहीं है.
पहचान.
ओ, ये करेंसी है, ये मनी नहीं है. सो व्हाट इज रियल मनी? वाजिद भाई,
जो हम खरीदते हैं वस्तु,
और वो क्या रहता?
मनी.
Transactions.
ओहो.
Collection of currency. That's it. Money. That's
No,
money.
no. Actually, real
Different.
money is what? No. Actually, real money is gold. Real money is
गोल्ड.
gold. When one country makes transaction with another country, what do they exchange?
Foreign exchange.
So what is that? Actually, they exchange gold.
Money exchange. Money exchange.
Exactly. First of all, अभी जैसे भी अपने को चाहिए अमेरिका के पास से आईफोन, राइट? तो अमेरिका अपने इंडियन करेंसी में पैसा लेता है क्या?
No. Dollar.
They exchange gold bricks. Yes or no? And the real money is what? Gold. And gold after melting becomes. Hello.
Yes, yes.
After melting, gold becomes.
Liquid.
Liquid.
And liquid is
Uncountable.
Uncountable.
simple. So real money is what? Gold. Real
Gold.
money is gold.
Gold.
Real money is gold. And gold is absolutely uncountable. Any doubts?
No.
So money is absolutely uncountable. All right? Because real money is what? Gold, and gold is uncountable. That's why money is also uncountable. Next, music.
So gold is used globally.
Yeah, gold is used globally.
So
Currency is just
we can buy
currency.
anything as behalf of gold.
Yeah, you can. Currency is just for the country. That's it.
Oh.
Gold you can buy. And now, do you know one more thing in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, and all? We have the ATMs there. They drop out the gold coins. Do you know this?
No.
No.
In Abu Dhabi, if you go to Abu Dhabi, if you go to Dubai, you'll find that the ATMs are there which give you gold coins. अपने इधर कैसे पैसे आते ना ऐसे सड़े बिड़े हुए नोट एटीएम में से ऐसे बाहर, उधर गोल्ड कॉइन्स आते हैं.
Oh.
Yeah, they have the options. Do you want the notes or do you want the gold coins? So if you select one of them, so you will get it from Dubai ATMs. See
Yes.
technology. और अपना अभी से चल रहा है क्या 4G और वो भी थका हुआ चलता. हेलो 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 तुम्हाला येते का ऐकू? हेलो हेलो अरे ते काका मार. हेलो हेलो अरे तो वारले. हेलो अरे हेलो वार चाचा के 10वीं में आता डायरेक्टली. हेलो अरे ते काका कुठे वारले की ते फोन करायचं की मला फोन मी फोनच लागत नव्हता. चाचा बेचारे उसको बाद में मालूम पड़ रहा है.
क्या बोलेंगे अबे साले.
चाचा के 8वें में आता अभी डायरेक्ट वो. Next one. Music. Music is also uncountable. Can we count music?
No.
Can we say, Rohit, can you please play 17 guitars? Tan, 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 pang. No. So music is also uncountable. Wajid bhai, can you play 4 pianos? 1, 2, 9. Because music is absolutely uncountable. Next one, glue. Can we count glue?
No.
Why? Because
Liquid.
correct. Glue is what? Liquid. Gum. Next one, tennis. Can we count tennis?
टेनिस
Mr. Wajid plays tennis, right?
No.
Badminton.
एक टेनिस खेला, 2 टेनिस खेला.
No.
Correct. Like this. एक टेनिस खेला. अरे कल रात में तो मैंने 9:30 क्रिकेट खेला. मालूम क्या? बहुत मजा आ रहा है. 10 खेले यार तो मेरा अब्बा आगे पीछे लकड़ी बिकड़ी लेके भागा फिर उधर से. Can we say like this?
No.
I'll give you the answer later. इसका पूरा आंसर मैं आपको थोड़ी देर से देने वाला हूँ. Why tennis? Why cricket is uncountable? Okay. Next.
Yeah.
Toothpaste. Can we count toothpaste? Yes. Can we count toothpaste?
No.
No. Why? Because it is a paste. And paste is absolutely uncountable. Can we count toothpaste? अभी हम ऐसे बोल सकते क्या? 3.5 टूथपेस्ट दे. नहीं कम पड़ रहा है और 5 दे. No. Toothpaste is absolutely uncountable. Next one is what? Cloth. Can we count cloth? Please pay attention. What did I say?
Yes.
Cloth.
Sir.
Cloth.
Cloth.
One is cloth and another one is what? Clothes.
Cloth.
Both are really very different. Cloth is what? What is cloth? Cloth,
Raw material.
raw material. Okay? Cloth is what? Raw material. कच्चा कपड़ा होता है ना, कच्चा कपड़ा.
Yes.
So when you go to the shop, you find there, आप उसको बोलते भैया कपड़ा दो ना, तो आपके सामने ऐसे पूरा रोल निकालता है, ऐसे रीम निकालता है कपड़े का. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right.
उसके अंदर कट करके लेते हैं एक चड्डी का, एक शर्ट का, एक पैंट्स का. Yes or no?
Yes.
So actually this roll of cloth is what? Cloth is uncountable. Yes or no?
Yes.
So cloth is literally uncountable. Next, cloth. Cloth कौन सा होता है ये? Stitch.
Roll.
ये stitched वाला है ये.
Stitch.
Shirt, ये cloth है. It is countable. Pants, cloth है, countable. Okay? ये वाला countable है and this cloth is uncountable. Is that clear?
Right.
Yeah.
Pay attention once again. Cloth मतलब है नहीं कच्चा कपड़ा and clothes मतलब है नहीं सिला हुआ कपड़ा.
Fill out.
Okay? Sewed, सिला हुआ कपड़ा.
Save.
That's what stitched. That is what cloth countable and cloth uncountable. Next one. Red. All the colors are uncountable. How? Red, blue, green, all are uncountable.
Liquid, that is.
Correct. Because they are liquids. Because they are liquids.
Liquid.
All right.
Right. Right.
Yeah. Because they are liquids. अभी पेंट होता है पेंट क्या पतरे रहते हैं पेंट कैसे रगड़ते हैं अपन उसको?
No, liquid.
They are liquids and all the liquids are uncountable. Next one, sand. Can we count sand?
No.
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 Sand
Can we
like
count
perfume. No.
बालू रेती? No. Because it is absolutely uncountable. अपन उसको count ही नहीं कर सकते. Next, male. How male is uncountable, Mr. Wajid? Is male countable or uncountable? Yes, male is countable or uncountable, Mr. Zubair?
It is uncountable.
How?
Male. Because in the male, you talk about male normal.
Pardon?
You talk about normal male. This meaning.
Yeah, normal male. What is special male?
No, male like post in the
Okay. और दूसरा वाला मेल? प्यार की चिट्ठी कबूतरा.
official male.
Unofficial.
okay.
Official.
Oh my god.
ऐसे
So male
बोलो।
तो male होता है ना. So male is countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
How? Yes, Mr. Rohit.
The male number of words mentions. There is no counter.
How male is uncountable? Actually, when the mail comes, it comes in an envelope, right?
Yes.
Second thing, when mail comes to you, do you know that how many mails are there in that envelope? अभी फॉर
No.
एग्जाम्पल अपने राजू भाई ने क्या किए? अरे आज उमेर भाई एब्सेंट है ना. अभी उमेर भाई को आया मेल. ओके. अभी उमेर भाई से फुल खुश हो रहे. प्रमोशन लेटर आया. अब देखिए क्या उसके अंदर प्रमोशन लेटर के साथ में उनका क्या था? पिंक स्लिप. व्हाट इज पिंक स्लिप? टर्मिनेशन लेटर. अभी एनवलप में दिख रहा था कि उनको कितने लेटर अंदर से?
No.
No. So we don't know how many letters are inside. So mail is absolutely uncountable. Second thing, इसका मैं आंसर आपको थोड़ी देर से पूरा एडवांस में देता हूँ. अभी वापस से आगे क्योंकि इसका आगे इसका आंसर है. Next one, wood. Can we count wood? Can we count wood?
No.
झाड़ पे कितनी
Can-
लकड़ी गिन सकते हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 60,000 लकड़ी है झाड़ के ऊपर. Can we say like this?
No.
Wood is absolutely uncountable. We can't count wood on the tree. Yes or no?
Yes.
ट्री
Yes.
के ऊपर कितने wood है हम लोग काउंट नहीं कर सकते. नेक्स्ट वन, ब्यूटी. कैन वी काउंट ब्यूटी?
No.
बोले अरे यार क्या खूबसूरत दिख रहा है ना. 17 खूबसूरत है. उससे ज्यादा खूबसूरत है 24 है वो. ओ माय गॉड तू कितना गंदा दिख रहा है. तू 3 हो गया यार. बोलेंगे ऐसा. So beauty is what? Uncountable. Okay? We can't count beauty. Leather. चमड़ी. अपन काउंट कर सकते हैं क्या चमड़ा? Leather.
No.
No. We can't count it.
No.
चमड़ी को अपन काउंट कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 5 है. No. It is what? Absolutely uncountable. Just a minute, huh? Sorry. Continue. So this is what leather. Leather is also uncountable. Can we count leather?
No.
No. अभी कितने कितनी चमड़ी है गिन सकते क्या अपन? No. So leather is absolutely uncountable. Next one, information. Can we count information?
No.
No.
No, we can't count information. अभी हम लोग को information कितनी बोल सकते हैं क्या? छोटी भी हो सकती है, बड़ी भी हो सकती है. Yes or no?
Yes.
For example, अभी देखो, अभी हम लोग बोल सकते हैं रोहित got a job. छोटी information है. रोहित got 4 wives and 25 children. बड़ी information है. करेंगे तभी अपन बोल नहीं सकते छोटी है क्या बड़ी है. Yes or no?
Yes.
So information is absolutely uncountable. Next one, same case. जैसे information uncountable है वैसा मेल के अंदर क्या आता है? What do we have in the mail?
Information.
Exactly. When information is uncountable, so mail will be
Uncountable.
exactly right. So information is uncountable, so mail will be uncountable too. Is that clear?
Yes.
Very good. Next one, furniture. Can we count furniture?
No. Furniture. No.
We count furniture.
Uncountable.
Uncountable. How?
Because
How
this is the wood. Wood is there. Huh? Wood
Very
is-
good. Furniture is made by wood, and wood is uncountable. Point number
Yes.
2, furniture is made by iron. Iron is also uncountable. Aluminium. Aluminium. After melting, aluminium and iron becomes liquid, and liquid is
Yes.
uncountable.
Uncountable.
Now let me tell you one more thing. अभी for example ये room के अंदर कितना furniture है अभी आप लोग को पता है क्या?
No.
Can we count it?
नहीं
No. So furniture के अंदर sofa, आपका आता है sofa, mirror, cupboard, closet, chair, and there are many other things. So we can't count furniture in a room. So furniture is absolutely uncountable. Is that clear?
Yes.
Next, weather. Now, how weather is uncountable? Now, before we go ahead, I have a question to you, to all of you. You have to answer me. Weather, climate, and season. What's the difference between this one? Weather, climate, and season. Did I ask you this before?
No.
Now I'm asking you. Answer me. What is weather? What is season? What is climate?
Weather is count. You can count in Celsius and Fahrenheit.
But I want the answer. What is weather? What is climate? And what is season?
Climate.
Climate.
Temperature.
And weather?
वातावरण क्लायमेट म्हणजे पण
Yes.
सीजन सर सीजन मतलब अपने इधर 3 रहते हैं और वेदर क्लाइमेट मतलब उसमें से जो चेंज वगैरह होते हैं क्लाइमेट का होगा
क्लाइमेट जैसे कोल्ड हो रहा है, हॉट हो रहा है. वेदर बोले तो सेल्सियस और फ़ारेनहाइट में काउंट कर सकते हैं कितना सेल्सियस है कितना फ़ारेनहाइट है. और सीजन्स जो भी अपने सीजन से 3 से मानसून से है, समर है.
यस
Okay. Yes, Mr. Zubair.
No
Hello.
idea. No idea.
You get an idea, Sergi. Pay attention, please, great gentlemen. Please pay attention. Weather which changes hourly or daily. Weather changes hourly or
Daily.
daily. Next one. For example, what is weather? Weather is like, for example, cloudy,
Yes.
sunny.
Yes.
ज्यादा धूप पड़ रहा है तो sunny. ज्यादा हवा
Wind.
चल रही है तो windy.
Wind,
Windy. Yes.
Correct. Cloudy, बादल छा गए तो cloudy.
Hmm.
बहुत ज्यादा
fog.
fog आ गया तो foggy. Yes or no? So this is what a weather. Weather changes daily or hourly. Now what is climate?
Climate. Temperature.
hot and dry
By region wise.
region wise yes
Climate region का होता है, area का होता है. For example, Kashmir is very hot. Correct?
yeah
Huh?
no
Africa is
cold,
hot. So
cold,
this is what climate.
hot,
I'll give you an example.
warm,
In
humid,
summer, Pune is hot
hot,
and
and
dry.
dry.
And in summer, Mumbai is
Mumbai,
hot.
hot and humid, humid.
Correct. Hot and humid. Mumbai is hot and humid. Is that clear? So this is what
Yes.
climate and weather. Weather क्या होता है? जो डेली चेंज होता है. अभी अपने फोन के अंदर अगर आप लोग देखेंगे, if you find in your phone, you will find there you have weather forecast. आपके इसमें क्या आता है? Weather forecast आता है. वहाँ पे climate forecast नहीं आता है. So this is called weather forecast. आपके फोन में जो आता है वो क्या रहता है? Weather forecast. Is that clear?
Yes.
Climate नहीं.
Right.
Next one. And what is season? Season तो आपको पता ही 5 रहते हैं. ये हमें अपने 3 होते हैं. Autumn, summer, winter, rainy, and spring. We have 5 seasons, but in India we have only 3: summer, winter, and rainy. Okay? कभी कभी आता है इंडिया में भी autumn and spring, कभी तो भी, but इतना ज्यादा नहीं. So we have 5 seasons. Weather is what? Which changes hourly and daily. गर्म हो रहा है अभी, अचानक में ठंडी बज रही है, क्लाउडी हो गया है, रेन हो रहा है. सो दैट्स व्हाट वेदर. एंड क्लाइमेट किसको बोलते हैं? एरिया वाइज रहता है. फॉर एग्जांपल कश्मीर इज कोल्ड, अफ्रीका इज हॉट. दिस इज व्हाट क्लाइमेट. ओके, तो वेदर इज एब्सोल्युटली अनकाउंटेबल. कैन वी काउंट वेदर?
No.
ऐसा बोल सकते हो अरे यार मेरे को 24 ठंडी बज रही है, कल यार 17 गर्मी हो रही थी मेरे को, अरे कल 25 बारिश हो गई रात में. बोलेंगे क्या ऐसा? नो. So weather is absolutely uncountable. Is that clear?
Yes.
Next one, luggage. Luggage is also. Can we count luggage?
No.
No. Why?
This is
Different things in luggage.
no. This is a
We have variant things in luggage. For example, luggage के अंदर अभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. चड्डी, बनियान,
leather.
बिनियान,
Leather is
towel,
there. Right?
handmade. So do we know अभी इसके अंदर ये बैग के अंदर कितना लगेज है? Can we say like this? कितना है आपको मालूम है?
No.
खाली है. मालूम है भी अपने को कितना है उसमें? No. So this is
No.
what exactly we don't know luggage. So luggage is absolutely uncountable. We can't count it. उसको अपन count ही नहीं कर सकते. इसके अंदर कितना luggage है? बोल सकते हैं क्या अपन?
No.
There is
We
no
can't
correct
count.
information.
So luggage is absolutely uncountable. Next, traffic. Can we count traffic? Can we count traffic?
No.
अभी ट्रैफिक भी 2 टाइप का होता है. एक तो गाड़ी का ट्रैफिक होता है, वो नहीं. ये अपन ह्यूमंस का ट्रैफिक बोल रहे हैं. कैन वी काउंट ट्रैफिक? अभी फॉर एग्जांपल दुनिया में कितने लोग अपन काउंट कर सकते हैं क्या?
No.
नो. अभी फॉर एग्जांपल मैं काउंट कर रहा हूँ कोंडवा से. काउंट करते 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 मैं कैंप तक आया, मालूम पड़ा कोंडवा में 4 लोग चले गए. अरे यार मत जाओ यार, रुको मैं काउंट करके आ रहा हूँ ना आप लोग को. रुको जरा. अरे यार भाई, अरे मत पैदा हो अभी, रुक जरा मैं आ रहा हूँ, मेरे काउंट करने के बाद में पैदा होना. बोलेंगे क्या?
No.
Every second in the world people are dying and people are getting born. Yes or no?
Yes.
So traffic is also uncountable. Can we count traffic?
No.
We can't count traffic. Next one, travel. Can we count travel?
No.
प्रवास, सफर. मैं यहाँ से 4 बॉम्बे जा रहा हूँ, वहां से 6 बैंगलोर जाऊंगा, वहां से 7 दिल्ली जाऊंगा. Can we say like this? क्या यार कितना भगाया तूने मेरे को, 7 बॉम्बे गया था. बोलेंगे?
No.
No. So travel is also uncountable. Next, sky. Can we count sky?
No.
यहाँ से लेके तो वहां तक के 4 स्काई, उसके आगे 5 स्काई. कैन वी से लाइक दिस? अभी से 5 साल पहले एक स्टूडेंट आया था मेरे पास में, जब मैं अनकाउंटेबल्स पढ़ा रहा था. He said sir, sky is only one. बोले ऊपर वाले की छतरी है ना, वो अल्लाह की छतरी, बोले वो एक ही है. Sky is only one. अभी देखो उसको आंसर भी मेरे को देना था, अगर नहीं देता था तो क्या होता था कि यार सर कुछ आता नहीं बोले, या फिर बच्चे बाकी जो बाकी अभी एक को देखते हैं ना तो बाकी 4 लोग भी और रेडे होते हैं. अरे हाँ ना यार, हो सकता है ऐसा.
सही है.
अब वो टाइम पे ऊपर वाले ने मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा आंसर डाला ना, मैंने उसको आंसर दिया, वो भी सेटिस्फाई, मैं भी सेटिस्फाई। आई विल टेल यू नाउ। अभी जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये चार्जर है, ये सुनो,
यस
ये चार्जर काउंटेबल है कि अनकाउंटेबल है?
Countable.
एब्सोल्युटली काउंटेबल। क्यों है ये?
Because only one word.
करेक्ट, बिकॉज इसका स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट और इसका एंडिंग पॉइंट है, yes or no?
Yes.
इसका स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट और एंडिंग पॉइंट है। काय का स्टार्टिंग और एंडिंग पॉइंट कब है गिनने के लिए? बोले कोंडवा से लेके तो काशीवाड़ी तक एक, और फिर बालाजी नगर से कातरेज तक दूसरा। पर उरली कांचन से वो लोनी तक तीसरा, और उसके आगे फिर अहमदाबाद तक चौथा। बोलेंगे?
No.
सुनने में नॉनसेंस लग रहा है वो। सो इट इज एब्सोल्युटली अनकाउंटेबल। अब स्काई को हम लोग काउंट कर सकते हैं क्या?
नहीं,
नो। सो स्काई इज एब्सोल्युटली अनकाउंटेबल। एनी डाउट्स?
अनकाउंटेबल। नो,
गुड।
No.
नेक्स्ट वन, फन। फन मतलब मजा। मजे को काउंट कर सकते हैं क्या? होय,
No.
आम्ही काल किती मजा केली माहिती का? 24 मजा केली आम्ही। 25 करणार होतं, लाईटच गेली। बोलेंगे? So fun is also uncountable. Next, accommodation. What do you mean by accommodation? What is accommodation?
फैसिलिटी।
Very good. Facility. Actually, accommodation is the place where we live. Accommodation is the place where we live. रहने की जगह को बोलते हैं accommodation. Okay? Accommodation हम लोग बोलते हैं रहने की जगह को. Alright? अभी अपन जो जगह पर अपन बैठे हैं, अभी अपन उसको काउंट कर सकते हैं क्या? मैं 4 जगह पे बैठा हूँ ऐसा। ये 7 जगह पे हाथ रख, 8 जगह हो गई अभी। बोलेंगे? Can we say like this?
No.
So accommodation is also uncountable. अभी मैं बोल सकता हूँ
Yes.
जो वो 4 जगह पर बंधा हुआ है। बोलेंगे?
No.
Next, homework is there for you. Time. Is time countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
How?
If there is a,
स्टार्ट पॉइंट, एंड पॉइंट, देयर इज नो।
Ah, wow.
no, there is millisecond, second. This is not countable, right?
Count it, my dear. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 100 hours, 4 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Rohit, time is countable or uncountable? अहो टाइमचा विचारू नका, सध्या टाइमच बेकार चाललाय आमचा.
अनकाउंटेबल हम ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते एक टाइम 2 टाइम.
बोल सकते ना, काय तू दोन्ही टायमिंगला तुम्हाला धोका पडून गेलेले तू तिकडनं.
2 टाइम ते वेगळा टाइम.
जुबैर भाई, वाजिद भाई.
Uncountable है.
How? How?
टाइम
After second or a millisecond becomes a
No,
hours,
no,
na? So maybe that is not
सर
countable, right?
Yes. Rohit.
वीक
हाँ अभी क्या बोलती है विश्व
वी कांट काउंट इन फिंगर, ऑन फिंगर.
1 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours.
सर पता नहीं अभी नहीं सर अभी ये विश्व ये वर्ल्ड डे पूरा कब तक चलेगा और कब से चालू है पता नहीं.
अपने को क्या करने का है, कब तक चलने वाला अपने.
फिर वो कहना टाइम फिर सर नहीं अनकाउंटेबल.
वाजले आपल्या ह्याच्यामध्ये किती वाजले ते मी म्हणतो.
5:48.
कल इसका होमवर्क है, आप लोग कल लेकर आना है. हाउ टाइम इज अनकाउंटेबल. ओके.
Okay.
यस यस.
नेक्स्ट वन, स्पेस. हाउ स्पेस इज अनकाउंटेबल. कैन वी काउंट स्पेस?
अनकाउंटेबल.
अंतराळ, खला. कैन वी काउंट स्पेस?
Uncountable.
Sir, we can't count.
वैसे बोल रहा हूँ सर मैं फिर टाइम अनकाउंटेबल.
कैसा?
मतलब अभी विश्व अब नहीं क्या नहीं मेजर कर सकते स्पेस पूरा जैसे स्पेस जैसे हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते वैसे टाइम, अभी ये कब तक नहीं क्या, अभी
अभी आप
ऐसे
कब से बैठे हैं? अभी आप कब से क्लास में बैठे हैं?
हाँ, मैं 1 घंटा हो गया।
बोल रहे देखो अभी आप अपने मुंह से बोल रहे हैं 1 घंटा हो गया मेरे को।
वो अभी ये करंट टाइम हो गया।
करंट की
But
बात कर
space
रहा हूँ।
is uncountable, no?
हाँ, स्पेस इज अनकाउंटेबल. Okay, next, enjoyment. Enjoyment means what? मजा. Can we count enjoyment?
No,
यार क्या
नो
मजा आ रही मेरे को. No. Next, life. Life is uncountable. How?
because years is the years, days.
इसका भी मुझे आंसर चाहिए कल. Life is
Life.
also uncountable. Next, advice. Advice is also uncountable. Can we count advice?
No,
How?
because we get the information, no?
Exactly. Very good. Advice is what? Information. अब advice
Information
छोटी
is
भी
a
हो सकती है,
right,
बड़ी भी हो सकती है.
uncountable.
Yes,
Right,
एडवाइस कैन बी एनी एडवाइस. अभी एडवाइस छोटी भी हो सकती है. फॉर एग्जांपल
बड़ी.
छोटी एडवाइस, कुछ मत करो, सीधा बिल्डिंग पे जाके नीचे उड़ी मार डालो, किस्सा खत्म. छोटी एडवाइस. बड़ी एडवाइस, इंग्लिश पढ़ो, जॉब करो, पैसा कमाओ, अच्छी लाइफ गुजारो. बड़ी एडवाइस है कि नहीं?
Yes.
सो एडवाइस इज आल्सो अनकाउंटेबल. Okay,
Yeah.
next, news. News is also
News.
uncountable. Why?
Yes, we get the information.
Correct. Information, and information is
Uncountable.
correct. So news will be
Uncountable.
correct.
Uncountable.
Uncountable.
Right.
Right. Next one, work. Work is also uncountable. How?
Right. Energy.
काम थोड़ा भी हो सकता है, ज्यादा भी हो सकता है.
Yes.
So absolutely
Uncountable.
correct. And energy is also uncountable. Can we count energy? मेरे अंदर देखो 7 एनर्जी है.
No.
उसमें तो देख 9 एनर्जी है. तेरी 12 एनर्जी कहाँ गई? Can we say like this?
No.
So energy is also uncountable. Now, guys, please pay attention. We have some words in English which are countable as well as uncountable. Okay? Some of the words are there which are countable as well as uncountable. For example, count here.
No.
Background noise is coming, please. Mr. Zubair, background noise आ रहा है आपका. Yes, hair. Hair is countable or uncountable? Both.
अनकाउंटेबल.
No, it is both. For example, अभी for example अगर मैं निकालूंगा hair. So hair, this hair is countable. Yes or no? And how many hairs do I have on my hair? Do we have? Can we count this hair on my head?
नो नो.
No. So hair is countable as well as uncountable. Okay? Hair को अगर मैं ऐसे निकालूंगा तो मैं ऐसे काउंट कर सकता हूँ. 1 hair. Yes or no? But अभी पूरे सर पे कितने hair है मेरे? Can we count it?
No. Uncountable.
नो.
Hair is countable as well as uncountable. Next, holiday. Holiday is also countable as well as uncountable. We have 2 days holiday. Yes or no? Saturday,
Yes.
Sunday. Countable, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. On Monday there was a holiday, 1 day holiday, right? So holiday is countable. And how holiday is uncountable? अभी कोरोना ने अपने को कितने सारे हॉलीडे दिए ना, अनएक्सपेक्टेड. हाँ हाँ हाँ, नहीं था इतने सारे मिले.
But it comes in a rare case, na?
हाँ. Oh, I heard that lockdown is going to occur once again.
Yes,
Yes,
that is
yes.
correct.
Oh
I'm-
my god. When?
No, it may be depends on situation.
Okay.
But there are many schools and colleges are open.
हाँ ना.
Okay.
मेरे
कैंसिल
school
हो
से-
गया.
हाँ क्या?
पोस्ट कर दिए. अभी
Oh.
23rd नवंबर से स्टार्ट करने वाले थे. पोस्ट हो गया.
No, no, पर in my village, students are coming in school.
Oh my
हाँ.
god.
नहीं, पुणे और मुंबई छोड़ के बाकी एरिया का नहीं हुआ. पुणे मुंबई का कैंसिल हो गया.
Okay, okay.
बाकी का चालू हो रहा है एक्सेप्ट पुणे मुंबई.
क्या यार, पुणे बॉम्बे ने क्या ना बुरा कर रहे थे यार.
क्या
सुधरो रे सुधरो.
सर वो कितनी गर्दी दिवाली के टाइम कितनी गर्दी कर रहे थे लोग.
दिल्ली बहुत ज्यादा हो गया. दिल्ली से लोग डर रहे हैं अभी. दिल्ली में सेकंड वापस आया तो पुणे में अभी नहीं हुआ इतना जितना दिल्ली में हुआ है, पर पहले से ही वो स्टेप आगे का ले रहे हैं ऐसे.
Oh my. So Delhi is on high alert now.
बहुत बहुत ज्यादा.
Delhi, Rajasthan, Gujarat.
Before it was what? Pune and Mumbai.
हम्म.
May God help. Okay. Let the people think. Next one is what? Cake. Cake is countable as well as uncountable. Can we count cake? For example, Rohit ka birthday, 1 cake. Zubair bhai ka birthday, 2 cakes. Wajid bhai ka birthday, 3 cakes. So we can count cake. Yes or no?
Yes.
But after making a crumb, can we count it?
That is liquid.
No.
Uncountable.
Liquid? Powder. Crumb. Okay. So that's what? Crumb. वो चूरा होने के बाद में अपन उसको count कर सकते हैं क्या?
No.
No. So cake is countable as well as uncountable. All right. Next, chicken. Can we count chicken? Yes.
One
Muर्गी का
chicken.
बच्चा, 1 chicken, 2 chickens, 3 chickens. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
That is countable. And chicken, meat होता chicken का. Can we count it?
No.
So it is uncountable. Next, chocolate. Chocolate is countable as well as uncountable. Can we count chocolate? Yes. 1 chocolate, 2 chocolates, 3 chocolates. Yes or no?
Yes.
And the chocolate
Yes.
we get in mall, hot chocolate. पता है आपको? Hot chocolate.
Yes.
Can we count
No.
it? Hot chocolate liquid होता है क्या नहीं?
Liquid.
कैडबरी को पिघलाने के बाद में मेल्ट करने के बाद में क्या बनता है?
Liquid.
And that liquid is?
Uncountable.
So chocolate is countable as well as uncountable. Okay.
Yes.
Next, infinite. What do you mean by infinite?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. We
Uncountable.
can't count infinite.
No, actually, infinite is countable, but they are in so huge quantity that we can't count it. Actually, infinite
Yes.
जो होता है countable ही होता है वो, but they are so many that we can't count them. For example, infinite मतलब in lam है unlimited.
Yes.
For example, star. Can we count star? Yes, we can count it. 1 star, 2 star, 3 star. But how many stars are there in the sky? Can we count it?
No.
No. So star is absolutely infinite. Okay. Next, leaf. Leaf is countable as well as uncountable. For example, actually leaf is infinite. Can we count leaf?
No.
Pan. Count कर सकते हैं ना एक leaf.
No.
1 leaf, 2 leaves, 3 leaves. But how many leaves are there on the tree? Can we count it?
No.
No, it
No.
is uncountable. Next one, human beings. Can we count human beings?
No.
No? We can count it. I am a human being. You are a human being. Yes or no? We total are 4 human beings. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
So we
Yes.
can count it. But how many human beings are there in the whole world? Can we count them?
No.
So it is uncountable. Any doubts?
No.
So here we have finished uncountable. Tomorrow I want the answer of time. Okay?
Yes, sir.
We'll continue this tomorrow on time. We'll see you tomorrow. Cheerio.
Yes.
Yes.
Period.
Sayonara.
Nara.